check 1 second. Let me check for a second. Oh. Yes, it works. Yes. All right, then I know that it works. Hi guys, today I want to talk about Euro USD and the week. Let's start with Euro USD. I'm gonna show you my trade. I don't know if I had it on, but I will look. No. Yeah, I will show you my trade of Friday. I don't have it like the trade entry on it, but I will show you what it was. That was my trade on Friday. It hit TP just now. Just hit it. My stop loss was low on the fair value gap, and my TP was on 3.5 R. Let me look. 3.5 R. Around here was it. This was the trade. I will tell you why. Because two things. Really easy. If you look at Friday, we did not close good in this bearish fair value gap plus BPR, so we had a bullish move. And with that close, we got to a pair of bullish order block and rejected immediate high and taking out the other high time frame bearish PD of the discounter of a premium array. So that is something really bullish. So I was Friday, oh, this has to be bullish, right? So I entered also long, and as you see, it hit TP. But now I can maybe show you on the phone. I'm on this moment. I am short. You can see the line. I don't know if you can see it, but I am short on this moment on Euro USD. A little. I am now on 1.4 R, I think, but no 1. No, a little bit more, 1.5 R. I really want to target to 3 R, but I have my SL break even. So if I break even, no problem. But the reason why is because with the news of today, I will show you that also. 1 second, give me a second. I will have to first one thing look up Forex Victory. 1 second, I will also 1 second share my stream. Give me a second. I will try to stream today for a long time, but I have also other work to do today. It's not really easy. Give me a second. Oh, that was not my meaning. Live. I'll try to go live for half hour, but we will look. So guys, if you see this, you can join my live, but I will show you right now Forex Factory, of course, to you guys. There it is, but I have to share it. 1 second. There, Forex Factory. Today we're gonna talk most about this news. This reason was also short is about this news, this red folder. Economic data is previous less and it's now more. So it is it's more. If you don't know how data works of red folder, please just screenshot it. Send to me in the Discord. I will explain to you how it works. I will give you a PDF how you can use it, how it works, everything. So it's not really hard. Or you can join the link in bio. I will show you also something about that. But about this is just bearish. And if you look for the whole week on USD only, the first day, bearish euro, bullish euro, yeah, bullish euro, bearish euro, very bearish euro, bearish euro, main refinance rate, also bearish euro, USD unemployment claims, bullish euro, Bullish. Oh, NFP is low. I was thinking. Oh, huh? Non-farming. I was thinking like there was a precursor of NFP ADP, but it is. But it is. But why? How can it be exactly the same? All right, but this is bullish euro, so Friday is also not tradable because NFP, but unemployment rate is um, the same. It is more than the first a month ago. No, it's the same as a month ago. Same. So yeah, it's a 50-50 week for me. If you look, I'm just gonna analyze it a little bit later about it. Is it more bullish than bearish? But we will look at that later. I will now go again to the charts. We were gonna talk about today about the charts. It's as I said to you guys, I am right now short in euro from the top. I saw the liquidities swap right here, and the reason why is because this reason I entered fast because I was really thinking I know why, but how people could have entered was like why not working? 1 second. We can go to the 5 minute. I never trade a 5 minute, but it's a little bit beautiful to show you. Or the 30 minute. Oh, it was on the 30 minute. Sorry. If it did close right here, I wouldn't have just take 0.1 percent loss, 0.1 loss. So I wouldn't want to risk that. But because it did close under the wick, I was really thinking like, all right, I can keep the position. That was not a really smart trade of me. I'm gonna real with you, but I'm now it's now working down, so it's not a bad trade. Let me say it like that. As you see, the rejected also 2 times took out. It was even more liquid right here, low resistance liquidity, and just have this big liquidity void right here. Maybe on the 4 hour, on 1 hour, you can see it better. Yeah, just around here. And my target is OTE practically because I want to just take OT out. That is around. I don't know what this OT is, but let me stop this. Let me get this one out. I don't know where. Huh. Oh, it is. Oh, my mouse went away. But give me a second. My mouse disconnected. Connect again. Thank you. Yeah, about that. But as you can see, the whole week was just a big market make model. Even for GP, I was talking about that also. I mean, even maybe have the drawing. Yes, right here, I was really thinking like this way. Like it was, I sent in the Discord. So if you want to join the Discord, maybe you can see it also. But I was really thinking like consolidation, first leg, second leg, got to a. I will show you. Got to a daily order block right here. So I was really thinking like, all right, I broke the code, and it wasn't bad. It did trade to it, but I'm gonna read with you. If I'm looking on this right, oh, I don't know what happened. But if I'm looking right this, like, when would you have entry? What would be your entry? Because only thing what I see was right here, but the Asia session was still happening. So I was thinking like, wait, maybe it just will take out Asia high or Asia low, and after that, do its work. But yeah, it was a really difficult day to entry on GP. But and if you look from Thursday till Friday, Sunday open, like yeah, nothing. Euro was a little bit better as you look from there. Oh, sorry, Euro was a little bit better as you look from Thursday. It did make some price action from here Thursday. It did trade up or make the big expansion up, and took out, and also Thursday was this place was where the daily order block was hit. From here, it just expanded up, made this beautiful gap, and Friday was this beautiful entry. Maybe probably are asking what this arrow means right here. This was when the news was released, and it was really weird. It was bullish, or it was bullish news. I think I will look 1 second. Was it bullish? No, it was just as expected. So it was not bad. So yeah, it was as expected. So news did not impact really something. There was this candle. Eight was it eight? I think 8 o'clock, but I'll look later on. And it was just making wicks right here. So I was thinking, all right, just waiting. And I first wanted to enter it on this order block. I was really thinking, all right, maybe I could enter it on this order block, but I didn't because in the higher time frame, the 1 hour chart on the 1 hour chart, this 50% level of this gap was never filled. So I was thinking like easy. I will just wait on that and it will go to it. And it of course did. As you see, it did got to it. Let me check some things. All right, it's good. And it did got to this gap. And like asking, like, yeah, could I have entered also later on? Yeah, of course, but it will be a little bit late on this rejection right here. It did come back to this order block, and the propulsion block is how we call it. This thing right here. It did come back and just expanded higher and close right around here. So if you did enter it on this, like if you enter this on the order block wick, like somewhere around here, and put your stop loss on this low. Let me look. Whichever you would have a 2R on Friday and close your position. So I don't think a 3R. No, 2.6 max. But that was for Friday. You wouldn't have 2R. So that's not bad. As you see, that's a really good. That's not a bad trade for yourself. And yeah, price is a little bit slow. It's just slowing down. I'm saying slow, but it's slowing down. I'm not saying it's good because it is fast. It's just is fast, but yeah, you have the reason why price still not moves out. You have gaps right here, order block right here, gap right here, gap right here, gap right. It's everywhere gaps, and OT right here. I hope it comes back to OT. I don't think it comes back, but if I'm on 2.5R, I will probably just take some partials or just leave the position and go back to. I say go back, but to leave the position and take profits, of course. I will do that then. But price just today or on the bearish side a little bit slow, not like the bullish side from Asia close. It just went up. no chance to stop. But yeah, probably for this week we will see some bearish action also, because if you look on the daily chart, we open up just really high. We made just a pretty big opening. We just now rejects a little bit. I think we come back to this order block right here, and after that go back down. I think so. It can also be not, but we will see. 1 second. One second now while someone called me. I just answered, but we'll see what price will do. Maybe it rejects and goes back to my SL. You never know, or I never know what price is going to do. It's not my call of prices, that's price itself. So we will see what it does. But I entered right here. It was just a perfect trade. Just perfect. I was just really proud of this trade and got up, and right here I closed the position on 3.5R. Not a bad trade, but it could be better, of course. And with better, I of course could have taken 4R, 4 risk reward, but it happens. And like this week was this previous week was just perfect price action. If you just look at it on a bird eye, this was the weekly chart. This was a weekly close, so first push down, and after that we closed higher. There's on the daily chart. Monday was high. We got down, 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 and pushed to this order block and shot up and shoot the other way up. On the 4-hour, you even maybe can see it better. I will go to replay mode. Give me a second. Maybe we can just not really backtest it. It's not really backtestable, but maybe we can just see how beautiful it was. Like this. So this is. I went a little bit too much back. Leave me a second. 25 till 31, right? Let me go forward on a little. All right, Sunday. So we open up really high. Took some equalize out right here. As you see, equalize out right here. Oh, I will not draw because otherwise a little bit weird. But we took out the equalizer right here. I don't know if you guys can see me. I draw, yeah. See, I don't see my mouse. All right. Now you see it. We took out the equalizer right here. As you see, we took it out with this candle right here, and even made it not really triple highs, but you can say it like that. But it made equal even here. So from here till here, it also make even highs, equal highs. I'm sorry. After that, we reject, I don't know what, but we made another pair of equal highs. We made a little reversal on in London, New York session, close of New York, and we went back up again and rejected off this 4-hour order block, as you see, and made a beautiful big candle down. As you see, again, beautiful price action, creating order block and getting to the fair value gap and going down again. Oh. Did not mitigate the order block. We did mitigate the order block. We shot down again. We rejected. This is Tuesday. We consolidate. We go down again. We go down. This was news. I think this was a reversal point. Got in this underside of this gap, a really weird gap. But it's also about this price action right here. Maybe I've drawn it. I didn't, so I can draw it for you. On this chart, I have multiple euro charts. As you see right here, just look how beautiful. Price really didn't want to close above the 50 or above the point or the 0.5. I'm gonna say that better. We got down again on this daily. This is the daily wick of the daily high of the order block, of the daily order block. We rejected to it, manipulated beautiful the way up, as you see right here. It happened right here. We had a beautiful displacement candle up, induced long position traders on this. Oh, I'm tired. On this, how it's called, low resistance, liquidity. Made big moves. I think this Friday. Yes. With a little rejection. It's not Friday. We're not Friday yet. It's Thursday. We got back down again. And we're now right here. Beautiful trading week. I'm gonna reveal to you. Not bad. And now you think, right? Oh, are you not scared that maybe it reversed? Yeah, of course it can reverse, but yeah, test trading. It can happen, but probably not gonna do that right now. But it's good because it took out some lows right here. So maybe it's not enough liquidity for price to reverse and go back up. It could, but I really don't think even with a red folder. But you never know. It's also I have a little bias on it because I want to go down. But yeah, that's about it. DYX on this moment, we didn't look at DYX, is also a little bit. I hoped for DYX for today that this order block right here would have hold, but it did not. This gap did not hold. The order block did not hold. So yeah, we took out even the liquidity of the order block right here. I don't know. It's you look down. It's not really something else to see. Yeah, I don't know what's this wrong. Oh, it's an example. I was teaching my students about it, how it works. I think it was this chart here, but I see DYX is. I don't know how to call it, but it's not. Yeah, I don't have word for it. I don't have words for it. Some because it took out liquidity, and I really hope that it will just reverse. It will be really helpful to me, but also for the market, it will be a little bit healthy because if it did reverse, we have a bearish in euro, and it will be easy to trade because a lot of things here to trade the other side on because fundamentally and globally, it's still really bearish. DYX, everything that's happening in the world right now, it's not helping the dollar, as you guys know. I'm always going to say nothing in this world right now helps the dollar, but that's also not true. But the dollar is not getting very strong this moment, so a little bit of dollar or your weakness and a dollar strength can help the market, and would it be it will make the market trade easier. But I think I'm done for now. I will see you guys the next time.